Hey everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate and redeem a gift card on Google Play. So without further ado, let's dive in. Alright, so first open your Google Play Store. Once it's open, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, from the list of options, tap on Payment and Subscription. Then tap on Redeem Code to start the process. You will see a field where you can enter your gift card code or code. Alright, after entering the code, tap on redeem. If your code is valid, you will see a confirmation message and the amount will be added to your Google Play balance. Alright, once the balance is added, you can now use it to purchase apps, games, movies, books, or anything else available on the Google Play Store. And that's it. Now you know how to activate and redeem a gift card code on Google Play. And I hope this video helps you on redeem your gift code. Alright? Thanks for watching and take care.